In this video, let's talk about why do you need wheel spacers for your Maserati GT. Let's go. Wheel spacers are aftermarket accessories installed between the wheel hub assembly and the wheels. They can increase the wheel clearance. The high-quality wheel spacers can help the Maserati with more modifications and upgrades, including brake system upgrades, wide body kit upgrades, aftermarket wheels education, cosmetic changes, and more. Using a set of wheel spacers for additional clearance, you can upgrade your brake system with bigger brake calipers, keeping the current wheels attached to your vehicle without scratching. After installing a wide body kit, if you find a huge gap between the wheels and the fenders, use larger or lower offset wheels and tires to fill the gap. If you want to keep your stock wheels or have the new wheels mounted more securely and firmly on your Maserati, then the wheel spacers are the best way to go. Using Maserati wheel spacers allows you to safely fit wider tires on your existing wheels, or upgrade to bigger wheels without rubbing against the suspension component, improving traction and handling even more. Maserati wheel spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustment, allowing the wheels to be moved outward to a specific position, usually first with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the Maserati. The lines of the Maserati will be fuller, giving the Maserati an aggressive and track-filled appearance. We usually install 1-inch wheel spacers on the front and the rear wheels of the Grand Cabia, and the overall result is perfect and full. This is also the choice of many Maserati owners who buy the Bonus Forge active cooling wheel spacers. Bonus also offers a choice of Maserati wheel spacers size from 3mm to 50mm, and you can choose whether or not you want to pair them with the extended wheel bolts. If you want to get the bonus wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link in the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day!